Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. My name is Michaela, aka Moe Kickz, and today I'll be showing you guys what I use to package orders for my small business. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then keep on watching. So in my last video, I was showing you guys how I make apparel for my small business, and so for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I pack and ship my orders to my customers. We're going to start off with tagging each garment with care instructions. It just has my logo and website on the back and the care instructions on the other side, just so that the customer knows how to take care of this garment and make sure that it lasts as long as possible. I ordered these off of a website called VistaPrint. They have not only these neck tags, but it's also where I get my business cards from, my thank you cards, any discount code cards. They also have personalized mailers and so much more that you can use for your small business. It's really easy to use. You can upload a design if you already have it made, or you can design it right there on their website. So this is what I call my studio. It's where I paint and design all of my sneakers. I press all my apparel, and then we use the closet as half of my boyfriend's closet and the other half as my inventory / back stock. This is also where I pack and ship my orders as well. Up here I just have shoes that are on my list to be made, and then over here is where I keep all my inventory. I have a few shirts left from a drop that I had in the summer of 2022. We have this Higher the Socks Down to the Food t-shirt. I only have 2 left in a size small. We have this Chicana t-shirt, a Chula t-shirt, and then the Smile Now, Cry Never t-shirt as well. I have different types of mugs and tumblers, for phone cases, sticker packs, and I also carry pins and keychains as well. All of these can be found on my website, shopmoekicks.com. I will link it in the description down below if you're interested in ordering anything. So this is basically my shipping station. It's where I keep any size labels for my apparel, care instructions for all the shoes I make, fragile stickers for the packages, my custom tape, scissors, everything that I need, as well as mailers, packaging paper, tissue paper for the shoe boxes, and more mailers. I have little space to work with, but here's where I'm going to fold all the sweaters that I made from the last video and then package them up. I got this folding board off of Amazon. It just makes things easier to make sure each t-shirt or sweater is folded exactly the same. Saves you a lot of time if you're not too good at doing it yourself. I will link this down in the description as well. If you guys want a full tour of my studio, just let me know in the comments, and I'll make a video on that too, letting you guys know where I got all my furniture and supplies from. So to make your packaging just a little bit more fancy, you can get custom bags made with your logo on it. I found my supplier somewhere on Etsy. There are plenty of people on Etsy that make custom things for you, stickers, postcards, whatever, if you want to shop small instead of using a big company. Or you could save yourself some money and just use some regular mailers found on Amazon. With each order, I always give them a thank you card with a discount code and where they can use it at. On the back of the thank you card is just my logo, and I also always give a free sticker with every order. This is just a nice little gesture that you can do, just letting your customers know that you're thankful for them and just giving them something to collect with your name on it. I make my own stickers, but there are plenty of websites to order them at. I will link down below my video of how I make my own stickers using CRICUT so you can save yourself some money and do it yourself. So now I'm finished packing all my orders. With this drop, I maybe only got about 15 orders, but I'm thankful for every single one, whether it's 1, 2, 15, 50. I appreciate all those who have ordered with me. Hopefully some of you that are watching right now will want to order with me too. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video where you'll see how I customize a Nike swoosh on some Air Force Ones.